Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Microsoft Lens and signing in so your scans sync. This matters for backups and easy sharing. Once authenticated, pick a mode: document for papers, whiteboard for notes, because Lens tailors processing per mode. Then position the camera about 0.5 to 1 meter away, center the content, and tap capture. The app auto-detects edges. Make sure to review the suggested crop and tap the check mark to keep the best framing, so you don't rescan. Next, refine the capture. Crop tightly, rotate if needed, and apply a filter, grayscale or color, to boost clarity. This reduces background noise and improves OCR accuracy. Once done, tap the text or OCR option. Lens converts the image into selectable text so you can copy, edit, or search it. Then choose a format to save: PDF for multi-page, Word for editable text, or JPEG for images. Finally, save to OneDrive or share via email or Teams so colleagues get the file instantly. To finish, assemble multi-page documents by tapping Add New between captures and reorder pages before exporting. This keeps related scans together. Make sure export settings match your needs. Pick OCR language, adjust file quality, and choose the destination folder so files land where you expect. If something goes wrong, like fuzzy text or failed OCR, retake the shot with stronger, even light. Increase contrast via filter, hold the camera steady, and crop closely. That usually fixes recognition problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.